we are going live now,
Oh,
and I will be playing a video
okay.
before we start. Okay, we start sharp at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome to the beginning of your future in healthcare. Feel a sense of belonging, no matter which path you take.
I chose the arts because it covers subjects like business, marketing, communication, psychology, and how to apply them within the world of healthcare. Our classes involves a lot of analysis, interpretation, discussions, and sharing perspectives, which I really enjoy.
So class, what do you think?
I love that we're given the freedom to be more hands-on as we collaborate in teams to conduct different experiments for different subjects. These immersive lessons have made biology, maths, and chemistry all the more exciting to me.
Discover how you thrive best as your passions and interests come together.
We aren't just memorizing facts and formulas for our exams. We're being taught to use this knowledge for problem solving and critical thinking, which is crucial for anyone pursuing medicine or health sciences.
Being in an active learning environment helps us create a training ground for us to be more well-rounded in handling different types of scenarios. Our assignments not only enhance my creativity and communication, but it also helps me in my practical skills and analytical thinking as well.
Know that you are on the right path when you feel good about your decision.
Being here has been an essential transition after secondary school to mentally and emotionally prepare me for university. It's become clear to me how this foundation in science offers so much more than just a direct pathway to undergraduate studies.
The more I learn about the social sciences from the Foundation Arts program, the more I learned about myself as well.
Now we're ready and excited about our future in healthcare.
Welcome to the beginning of your future in healthcare. Feel a sense of belonging, no matter which path you take.
I chose the arts because it covers subjects like business, marketing, communication, psychology, and how to apply them within the world of healthcare. Our classes involves a lot of analysis, interpretation, discussions, and sharing perspectives, which I really enjoy.
So class, what do you think?
I love that we're given the freedom to be more hands-on as we collaborate in teams to conduct different experiments for different subjects. These immersive lessons have made biology, maths, and chemistry all the more exciting to me.
Discover how you thrive best as your passions and interests come together.
We aren't just memorizing facts and formulas for our exams. We're being taught to use this knowledge for problem solving and critical thinking, which is crucial for anyone pursuing medicine or health sciences.
Being in an active learning environment helps us create a training ground for us to be more well-rounded in handling different types of scenarios. Our assignments not only enhance my creativity and communication, but it also helps me in my practical skills and analytical thinking as well.
Know that you are on the right path when you feel good about your decision.
Being here has been an essential transition after secondary school to mentally and emotionally prepare me for university. It's become clear to me how this foundation in science offers so much more than just a direct pathway to undergraduate studies.
The more I learn about the social sciences from the Foundation Arts program, the more I learned about myself as well.
Now we're ready and excited about our future in healthcare.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Selamat tengah hari semua. Thank you so much for joining the IMU SPM final sprint for the subject of modern maths. This free workshop is brought to you by IMU University, International Medical University for short. So, welcome everyone. Hope all of you have a great Sunday. It's a Sunday, and we still have so many of you here. Thank you so much for coming in. And if you have friends who are supposed to be joining, everyone takes modern maths, right? If you have friends who are sitting for SPM, I'm pretty sure a lot of them, feel free to share this link, share the link out to your friends and ask them to join. This room can fit a lot more people than what we have now, but we already have about almost 80 plus of you here. All right, and we have Chigu Faiza here with us today. We're still slowly picking up on in terms of numbers. Okay, so guys, maybe you can just let me know in the chat box. Yeah, where are you guys from? Dari mana negeri asal anda? Okay, so just tell me which state are you from or which school are you from in the chat box. I love to know where are you guys from. Okay, um, we are going to start really shortly, very soon. Okay, so you can just we can just chit chat a little bit while your other friends are all coming in. Okay, I see. Wow, SMK Bukit Jalil, Penang, see Johor, Alvin from Kedah. Welcome everyone. Selangor. Okay, STPD Negeri Sembilan. Welcome semua. Okay. How was last week SPM? Last week we have two very important papers. Yeah, one is BM and one more is Sejarah. How was it? Let me know in the chat also. It was great, fantastic. So I know you guys will do well, right? Our SPM final sprint also featured these two subjects. We think it's really important, Bahasa Melayu and also Sejarah. We had Cigu Linda Noor and also Cigu Shima, covering these two subjects. Very important. Okay, and today's subject is also a core subject. Okay, subject teras sangat penting juga. Okay, if you want to explore into sciences, if you want to explore into computer science, IT, these are, modern maths is a very important subject. You must at least get a credit. So, which is why, wow, suddenly we are at 100 people already. Okay, so more and more people are coming in. Yes, so modern maths is very important, and we have Cigu Faiza. Cigu Faiza, dah berapa kali ya kita buat bersama? I think for the past 3 years. This is the third,
3 years.
yeah, this is the third year.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you so much for your support, Chigu Faisal. Yeah,
problem.
it's going to be a great session, I know. Okay, and Chigu Faisal is very generous, where he has prepared notes for all of you. So, we have shared the notes in the WhatsApp group. So if you have not seen the notes yet, go to the WhatsApp group. Okay, or I'm going to be putting the notes here in the chat box. Okay, feel free to download the notes, and Chigo Faisal will be going through these questions with all of you. Okay, so without further ado, okay, I will pass the session over to Chigo Faisal. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Brian. Thank you, Study Hub. Okay, so did my screen already share? Not
I
yet.
replaced share already. So, Chigo Faisal, you need to share again. Thank you.
Oh, I need to share again. Okay. Where is the button for me to share it? Okay, wait, yeah, share it back. Okay. Is it coming out, Brian? Is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Sudah nampak?
Sudah
Yeah.
nampak. Okay. So, okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, and very good afternoon to all of you. Okay, so this session I'm going to sharing with you. Okay, this one for tomorrow actually. Okay, for your paper, maths paper. Okay, so this is the analysis. Okay, so firstly, how many of you target? This is what you supposedly lah, okay, supposedly target. If you are going to have A plus. How many of you want to target for A plus? Berapa banyak nak A plus ni? Raise your hand, raise your hand. Okay. Okay, this one, what I have, okay, this one just not a specific one. Okay, so we are going to have over here uh at least lah, at least like Brian said. Okay, Brian said we are going to score for credit. Okay, at least 15 out of 40 for your paper one. That's most important thing. The most important thing, if you can have more than 15, okay, then you are going to target for the second paper. Okay, the second paper, this one you can have a look over here, whether you are going to have for 50 or 75. That one going to be for C and A minus lah. Okay, for C and A minus. Okay, so what we are going to have over here for today, okay, we are going to look first at our, this is analysis lah for the past year question. The past year question. This one also I think you know already. Okay, and this is because we are going to take the paper tomorrow. Okay, so I'm going to only focus on the top 15. Not top 10, top 15. If can, okay, inshallah, we try our best. Okay, we are, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, we will begin with the first one over here. This one you know already lah, the instrument that we are going to take in. Okay, this one I just focus on paper 2. Okay, so obviously lah, you know already it's going to be for 3 section over here. So sorry because I prepare in Malay and I'm going to what? I'm going to talk in English. Okay. Yes. Okay, right. Okay. DLP, dual language program. Okay. So the marks given over here is going to be 100 marks because they are going to be for 3 parts over here. Part A, Part B, and Part C. Okay, Section A, Section B, Section C. Section A, they are going to be 10 questions where they are going to be carried out for 40 marks. 40 marks. Okay. Section B, this one also is the mass question. There are going to be 5 questions. Okay. They are going average lah. Average for each of questions is going to be about 7 to 9 marks. Okay, for 5 questions over here. And for the section C, this one going to be 2 questions, but you must answer first one. You have a what I want you to do here is you look first for section C only, for section C, not section A and section B. Section A and section B is a must. Okay, section C over here there are going to be 2 questions, so you know already. You look first which questions you can do. Yang mana kita boleh buat. Okay, and focus on that question first. And after that, okay, previously I talked about the part section A and section B. Okay, do it in a time. Okay, time limit there. There are going to be 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hours this one. Okay, if you're watching Tamil movie, 2.5 hours is very long time, right? Okay, so after you finish section A, section B, and 1 question in section C, if you got more time, kalau ada masa lagi lebih, and then you can do another question in section C, that one. Because the examiner going to choose which going to be, for section C only, which one going to be the highest mark. Okay, do not do both questions if you are not finish your section A and section B. Okay, this is okay lah, this one nak pergi berperang esok. Okay, this is what you must have. First thing first, your geometry set. Your geometry set, because we don't know, okay, what type of questions is going to be coming out, so we have to prepare. And because also the pengawas, okay, for SPM, okay, for the geometry set, they are going to be in box, right? So we cannot bring the geometry set in the box. Okay, so you have to take out from the box. Okay, make sure The geometry set is going to be involving with your compasses, jangka lukis, and compasses also. Do not forget your pencil there. Okay. This one, scientific calculator. Either it's going to be your 570 MS or EX and anything. Okay, as long as it's not the calculator. Okay. Pembaris panjang is important. Why? Because later I let you know why. Okay, because this one we are going to draw graph. Okay, then menggunakan this one of course lah method. Method. Please show your calculation. Okay, in the specific. Where is the space given? Usually we are going to what we are doing first at the question, right? We are going to do that one first, and then you are going to transfer it. So what my advice is straight away, okay, do at the section in the answer space. Okay, straight away. Do not waste your time. Okay, time is so precious. Okay. This one for our round off. This one for two decimal places, okay, and for our SP over here, okay, and then please, this one, senarai rumus matematik. Please look, even though I know all of you over here, okay, in here, all of you are very, 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 very good at memorizing, right? Okay, but please, okay, please refer. And then if you look over here for F there, okay, make sure the answer, okay, the final answer you are going to put must be according what is the question is asking you to find. Okay, mengikut kehendak soalan. Okay, this one okay dah. Form 1 until Form 5. Okay, this one time. Okay, memperuntukkan masa. Okay, time is precious. Okay, this one I. This one for your final answer also, but this one for the money. Yeah, okay, because we got only ringgit, we have cents, right? Sen, okay. So sen, there are going to be only two decimal places only, okay. And also for plotting, make sure you are going to plot. Make sure your pencil going to be very, very sharp. Okay, very, very sharp, so that the examiner do not penalize you. Okay, this is what I have in for the cadangan only. Okay, this one what I been told to you. This one no need to memorize. This is going to be given in the questions paper. But make sure you know already when the questions when we read the questions and you know already, oh, they are going to be formula given. So you can have a look first all the formula, okay, then you are not going to take times to find the formula, right? So everything is going to be for the number operations, relation algebra, statistic and probability over here. This is very important. Okay, then this is going to be for the measurement and geometry. This one is a basic one lah. Okay, all the basic one, all the surface area, volume, and everything. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, what we are going, like what I been told you at first just now, okay, at the beginning of our session just now, this is what I'm going to focus on. Okay, there are going to be 15 chapter and all the questions, like Brian said, the questions I already compile it. That question actually is going to be from the trial SPM, previous trial SPM, from every state. I just mix up everything. Okay, I just mix up everything. Okay, so we will try to do for our first one over here. Okay, this is going to be for sukatan serakan data tak terkumpul, from 5 questions. Okay, this one just a quick one only. Okay, what you must know, okay, about the how we are going to histogram, okay, and our frequency polygon, okay, or GIF. These three going to be in the questions regarding our sukatan serakan data terkumpul. And also they are going to be for our range, okay? For the variance, for our variance, and also the sisihan pair Y over here. Okay, so we will try to do first over here. Okay, the soalan from Kelantan. Okay, soalan from Kelantan over here. Okay, if you look at the questions over here, I go for the section B. Okay, the question here is soalan number 13. Okay. We look over here first. We got table 8 shows the push-up data performed by 80 students for SEGA test at SMK Seri Cemerlang in May. So what you have over here, when we read, is not we read the novel and everything, right? When we read, we are going to underline. If you can underline, okay, you are going to, I know you are not going to bring your highlighter, right? Okay, so what I am doing to over here, I'm going to stress what you must know over here. Okay, there are going to be 80 students. Okay, this one already given to us, the table 8 over here. Okay, this is our frequency table. Okay, and it's going to be for our class interval there, 6 to 10 frequency and everything there until 36 to 40 with the frequency there is 3. Okay, based on the table 8, okay, we are going to state the size of class interval. This one, please be careful. When it say over here, the size of class interval, you are going to look at this one. This is going to be for the class interval. For the size of class interval, okay, many of my students, they are going to be take what? 10 minus with 6. Please be careful because you are going to have 6 is included. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer for your size of class interval is going to be 5. Okay, if you look over here, this is going to be for 4 marks given. So means that this one is direct answer, 1 marks going to be given to us. P1 or N1. Okay, then if you look over here, it's asking for us to complete table 9 in the answer space. Okay, for the answer space over here lah. Okay, you can have a look at our given document just now. Okay, this is what you must have over here. The upper boundary and cumulative frequency. When you look over here, you know already. Cumulative frequency is going to be involving with what? Ogive. Okay, cumulative frequency. Okay, so what happened over here? This one also, for ogive, you must start at 0. That you must remember. Ogive start at 0. And for our frequency polygon, start with 0 and end at 0. Okay, that one you must remember. Okay, so 6 to 10 over here, so our upper boundary. What we are going to do over here for the upper boundary, you are going to take this one. Most of the students are going to say, oh, is it we are going to plus with 0.5? Okay, that depends on our what we call on our data. Okay, that depends on your data. Okay, usually straight away you are going to just put for upper boundary 10.5 straight away. Am I right? Okay, so never mind. Okay, so this one, if we want to confirm, okay, first 10 you plus with 11, then we are going to divide by 2. That's upper boundary. If lower boundary, you are going to have the previous one, which is 6 with the previous one over here going to be 5 lah. Okay, 5 plus with 6 for the lower boundary over here, you are going to get 5.5. So this one, if you do using your calculator, we are going to get 10.5 straight away. Yeah, this one, when we have 10.5, so everything going to be only take, you are going to add up 0.5. So 15.5, 20.5, 25.5, 30.5, 35.5, 40.5. Okay, just to make sure first, do take the 10 plus with 11 divide by 2 for your upper boundary. Okay, for the cumulative frequency, this one is Zoro. Okay, Zoro. We are going to take the frequency 5 there, bring first. Okay, this one. You are going to take this one, 5. Okay, after that, what you are going to do? We are going to add up with 8 there. Okay, 5 plus with 8. That's why I said Zoro like that. Okay, it's going to be Zoro over here like this. Okay, so 5, you bring there, plus with 8, you are going to get 13. So 13 plus with 13 is going to be 26. 26 plus with, sorry, I need to confirm, 45. Okay, even though you can just give the answer straight away without using calculator, but make sure. For me, I'm going to use the calculator. Okay, I'm going to use the calculator because sometimes, okay, mistake, right? Okay, so 65 plus with 12, I'm gonna get 70, 77, 77 plus 3, you're gonna get 80. Okay, one more thing. Just now, I just highlight for you 80. Am I right there? 80 students. Make sure when we have our cumulative frequency over here, you cannot be the value is not going to be less than or more than 80 here because it's, because it's saying over here 80 students. Okay, this one is saying 80 students. Okay, that's for you to just to recheck. Okay, after we done this one, you are going to be given another this one another 3 marks. Okay, I want over here, there are going to be 3 marks over here, 4 marks got ready. Okay, next one, like what we just say, okay, when we have our cumulative frequency is going to be involving with our ogive. Okay, by using for this part of question, use the graph paper provided. Okay, not provided, sorry. I also didn't give the graph paper to you. Okay, this one using a scale 2 centimeter to 5 unit on the horizontal axis, 2 centimeter to 10 student on the vertical axis, draw the ogive. Okay, this is why we need pembaris panjang. Okay, alamak, I don't have lah pembaris. What should I do? Go buy now. Okay, go buy now. Okay. Kalau nak beli pembaris this one. Okay, pembaris panjang. Okay, the flexible one. Okay. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to this one, of course lah, at first quadrant only. This one not involving with our negative. Negative. Okay, so we are going to do our vertical and horizontal axis. Okay, this one be careful. Okay, be careful with the scale. With the scale. Sometimes, okay, when the students read straight away 2 centimeter to 5 unit, straight away you are doing what? You are doing the 5, 10, 15, okay, multiple of 5. Am I right? You are doing like that. Okay, please be careful. This one, 2 centimeter to 5 unit, actually, you are going to take the upper boundary. And please be careful. We are not going to start with 10.5. Why did I'm not going to begin with 10.5? Just now, I just tell you that ogive. Let me have a little bit. Okay, ogive. Ogive. There. Ogive. Ogive. Okay, so ogive, we are going to have for our graph start from 0. That's why I have over here like this. My ogive. Okay, start from 0. And if you have another one, histogram. Histogram. Which one I'm going to look? Here. This one. Looks like, sorry. Looks like what? Our bar chart here. Okay. So we are going to have our histogram. Like bar chart lah. Okay. Okay. Then we have another one is our frequency polygon. Polygon. Okay, this one. And okay, for polygon, okay, frequency polygon, actually you are going to start from 0 and end with 0. For your information, only ogive, we are not going to use our ruler, only for ogive. Okay, for histogram, you must use your ruler. And for frequency polygon, also we are going to plot it. Actually, we are going to take from our histogram also can. Okay, we are going to start from 0. Okay, for example lah, like this, like this, like this. And you are going to end at 0. Start from 0 and end at 0. That's for frequency polygon. This one. This one lah. How I remember. Ogive, histogram, okay, and frequency polygon, and okay. So for ogive over here, we are not going to start with 10.5. Why is it? Because we are going to have over here starting the cumulative frequency over here from 0. Means that what I need to do over here, I'm going to have our cumulative frequency here is 0, and I'm going to take the upper boundary before 10.5. So we are going to have over here 5.5 actually. Okay, we are going to start with 0. So please make sure we also going to start our graph over here with 5.5. 5.5, and I know all of you know already how we are going to have over here for the scale. 10.5, 15.5, 20.5, 25.5, 30.5, 35.5, 40.5, sorry, until 40.5. Okay, enough. Okay. What should I name it? What should we name this one? You want to put upper boundary also can. You want to put as a push-up over here also can. Acceptable. Because we take from our scale over there. Scale pula, sorry. The class interval there, 6 to 10, right? For the push-up. So you can name it as push-up. No problem. Push-up. Or we can have over here upper boundary. Either one, no problem. Okay. And for the y-axis, it say over here 2 centimeter to 10 student. So this one, do not, do not what? Do not take this one. 0, 5, 13, 26. Please be careful. That one, we must follow the scale given. So you are going to start with 10. Okay, for 2 centimeter, 10. 2 centimeter, another 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, because this one until 80, right? If you want to have more than that, also no problem. And this one, this is going to be what? Because we are going to have our ogive, this is going to be not frequency. This one, cumulative frequency. You must put as cumulative frequency. Okay, this is 1 marks given. For sure, if your scale for our graph here is correct, 1 marks going to be given. Okay, what's going to be next? Of course lah. Okay, sorry, I'm going to take my, sorry. Because up and down, you also dizzy later. Pening tengok Okay, sorry. I'm going to put over here. Okay. Okay, now we are going to take this one straight away. 5.5 with 0. Okay, we are going to start with 5.5 over here with 0. Okay. And this one also, for your information, for us to do the plotted, okay, if we want to plot, okay, please make sure there are going to be only 2 signs lah. Either it is going to be dotted Okay, or it's going to be X sign. Either one only. Okay, do not use other symbol. Okay, okay, we are going to have over here 0, 10.5. We are going to get 5 over here. Okay, this one for sure you know already. That's if we are going to have 2 centimeter for 10. Okay, means that there are going to be 10 small square there. Means we are going to have 5 over here. It's going to be in the middle here. This is going to be your 5. So we are going to plot over here. Alamak, which one I'm using? Okay. Usually I prefer the X actually. Okay. Okay. Then 13. 15.3, 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, straight away this one. So sensitive this one. 1, 2, 3. 20.5, you are going to get 26. 26 over here. Then 25.5, we are going to get 45. 45, this one. Then 30.5, we are going to get 65, right? 65. Yeah, 30.5 is 65. And then 35.5, we're going to get 77, 75, 6, 7. And last but not least, we are going to get 40.5 with 80K. After we finish with the plotted, alamak. Okay, after we finish with the plotted over here, what we are going to do, we are going to, oh, I cannot bring that. Okay, no problem. Okay, we are going to draw the smooth curve. This one, practice, make perfect. Okay, please make sure that all our, sorry, this one, tak cantik. Okay. Please make sure all the plotted going to be touched. Okay, do not use your ruler for this OGAF. Histogram can, frequency polygon, yes, you can use that one. Okay, and then if you look over here from the OGAF, find the 60 percentile. 60 percentile. Okay, 60 percentile over here. We are going to have, because we are going to have only 80. Okay, 60 percentile. Percentile is going to be from our percentage, right? So 60 out of 80, I'm going to times by 100. So this one, I'm going to have 0, 0, and 60 times by 10. And then I'm going to divide by 8. So I'm going to get 70, 75. So if 75 over here, you are going to get this one. Okay. 60 percentile is going to be at the 17, 75 here. Okay, by using my calculator, I'm going to get this one. Okay, I just draw a straight line. Do we need to draw a straight line? Yep. Okay, for us to show where you are going to get the 60% percentile. Okay, so if you look over here, this one we are going to have 31, sorry, 31 is going to be here, 31, 32, 33, 30, 34.5. That's going to be for our 60% percentile over here. Okay, this is for the OGAF. For the OGAF. I know for the histogram and also the frequency polygon is going to be easy for you to do. Okay, this one I just look for the OGAF over here. Okay, for our questions over here for the Terengganu. Terengganu over here, this is going to, we are going to do our histogram. This one histogram. Okay, if you look over here, okay, it's being given to us, the table 5 shows the running time of 200 athletes. Now we got 200 athletes who participated in the marathon for 8 kilometers at Zone Cheneh 2 months ago. Okay, so if you look over there, it's given to us the class interval is going to be 21 until 25 minutes there. But this one, they are given to us the cumulative frequency. The questions ask for us to complete the table 5 in the answer space over here. Actually, the answer space is going to be there. Okay. This one, what I need you to alert. Okay. Please. Okay. Do not. Okay, sometimes if the examiner is going to be straight, if you are not going to put it in the answer space because it's given to us here. Complete the table in the answer space. Many of our students, okay, my students, okay, they are going to complete it here, over here. And they are going to leave it, okay, blank at the answer space. So if you got the examiner is very, very, very want to help you, then they are going to look for the answer at the questions. But I just want you to remember, we must follow. Okay, we must follow what is the question asked us to do. Okay, the answer space. So you have to put in the answer space. Okay. Okay, now, how did I want to take my frequency? Just now, we find the cumulative frequency. Okay. So just now I said to you, it's going to be zigzag like that, right? So this one, what we are going to do, we are going to do reverse. Reverse? Yes. How we are going to reverse? Okay. This one, I'm going to deduct, minus. Just now we add up, right? From above to below. Now we are going to take from below to above. Okay, how we are going to take our frequency over here? This one, 200, you are going to minus with 188 to get the first frequency over here. You're going to get 12. Oops, sorry. So you're going to get 12. Okay, how did I get? I'm going to take 200 minus with the previous cumulative frequency, 188. You're going to get 12. And we are going to do it the same. At our 188, okay, 188, you are going to minus with 170 there. I'm going to get 18. After that, 170, I'm going to minus with 142 there. You are going to get 28. And then 142 minus with 100, I'm going to get 42. After that, 100 minus with 53, I'm going to get 47. 100 minus with 53, I'm going to get 47. And then 53 minus with 3, I'm going to get 50. Okay, then how about this one? This one just take 3 back. So if you look there, if I get the frequency, okay, I plus with 50, I'm going to get 53. 53 plus with 47, you're going to get 100. And that's how we are going to get back from the cumulative frequency to our frequency. Okay, for the midpoint, this one easy. Okay, why did I say easy? This one just from our class interval there. Okay, midpoint. Just now we take our upper boundary, it's going to be 25 with 26, right? For the midpoint over here, you are going to add up for our class interval here, 21 plus with 25, we are going to divide by 2. Is it we need to show? No need to show the calculation. Just using your calculator. Okay, by using your calculator also this one. Okay, please be careful. Why? This one because we sometimes do our careless mistake. Okay, what you do, you take 21 plus 25, then you divide by 2 straight away. You know what I mean? You use your calculator, you do like this. 21 plus with 25, you divide straight away with 2. This one, be careful. Many of our careless mistake, our student, okay, careless mistake over here. Because why? I know what you mean by 21 plus with 25. You want to divide by 2 everything, right? If you are going to do this one like this, please make sure you put it in a bracket. Okay, please make sure that one. Okay, because sometimes, yalah, people make mistake, right? So I don't want you to lose marks over here because After you get this one incorrect, this one going to be affected with your graph later. This one I stress more because this one going to be given more marks actually. They are going to be the most mark in our paper 2. Okay, so 21 plus 25 divided by 2. Okay, straight away this one you're going to get 23. And then you are going to get 28. After that, you are going to get 33. After that, I'm going to get 38. And then I'm going to get 40. This one, if you look, there are going to be pattern there. 43, 48, and 50, 53. Okay, this one, we are going to using a scale of 2 centimeter to 5 minutes on the horizontal axis. Okay, and 2 centimeter to 5 athletes on the vertical axis. We are going to draw our histogram. Okay, so over here, our histogram. So first thing first, I'm gonna have for my horizontal, it say over here, the horizontal going to be 2 centimeter to 5 athletes. Okay, 2 centimeter to 5 athletes. I'm going to have the multiple of 5. Okay, if you remember, we find for our midpoint. If you look over here, the midpoint there, 23, 28, 33, 38 is going to be 5 there. The difference, 23 plus 5, you're going to get 28. 28 plus 5, you're going to get 23. Actually, you are going to take the midpoint straight away, that one. Okay, so you're using 23, 28, and everything, that one, at our scale here for our horizontal axis over here, this one. Okay, so I'm going to take this one straight away, 23. I'm going to start with 23, 20 plus 5, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48, 53. So this one going to be, sorry. Okay, the running time in minutes. Okay, so you are going to put running time also can, no problem. Okay, running time as over here. Okay, and then for the vertical, 2 centimeter to 5 athlete. This one just follow. This one you are going to use not cumulative frequency. This one you are going to use the frequency. Okay, we are going to do using our frequency. This one, why did I stress more? Because this one is going to be given us more than 5 to 7 marks over here. If you look there, 2, 4, 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9 marks itself over here. Okay, this one for section B. Okay, so let's take straight away 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, I think until 50, we got until 50, right? The most one going to be 50 there. Okay, so what we are going to do next, okay, sorry, I'm going to take the snipping tool here. Because this one we are going to plot. Okay, plot that one. Okay, so for our first one here, 23, you are going to have 3. Okay, how I want to have 3 at our scale there. If just now, easy. Why? Because it's going to be one small square is going to be 1 just now for our guide. For this one, actually, you are going to have 5 for 10. So it means that 5 divided by 10, you are going to get for one small square there is going to be 0.5. And you are going to start with 2 small square there, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 6 there. So this one you are going to plot. Okay, you are going to plot that one. Okay, make sure that one is going to be for actually it's going to be for the plotted for the for our 23 midpoint. Midpoint. Okay. Then what we have over here, 28 is straight away to 50. Straight away 28, straight away to 50 there. Then 33, we are going to get 47. 33, 47. So 45, 46, 47. So it's going to be 4 there. And then we are going to get 38, 42. Okay, 40, 41, 42. Okay, 43, you are going to have 28, 25, 26, 27, 28. Then 48, we are going to get 18, 15, 16, 17, 18. And 53, you are going to have 12. So 10, 11, 12. Okay. For your information, this one, if you are going to take your midpoint, okay, we are not going to start straight away with 23 here. What I mean, kita tak nak ambil terus 23, you just draw straight away because you take this one as your midpoint. Okay. I don't want you to just draw straight away like this. This one because it's not going to be your histogram starting with the 23. 23 there is going to be your midpoint. Okay. So we are not going to have it here. I'm going to have it because this one we can use as to have for our frequency polygon. Frequency polygon we can have for the same one from our histogram here. Oops. Okay. Garis saja. Like that. How did I want to know is it going to be midpoint or not? Because just now we find for the midpoint, isn't it? So 23 going to be for the midpoint for our histogram. So you are going to put it in the middle in our bar chart here, histogram. Okay? And then for the rest, yeah, just follow. Just follow. Sorry, I'm going to minimize this one. Okay. Because it's going to be in the middle one here. Sorry. Alamak. Okay. Let's make a straight line at the 50 there. Okay, this one also you are going to have straight way. Okay. Make sure, okay, you are going to use your pencil. I'm saying pen pula. Pencil. Tak boleh. Cannot draw using your pen. Even though you are saying, oh, how about if I'm just using my pen for labeling? Please do not use your pen in graph, in whatever, what we call, drawing, anything related to drawing, even though you are going to shade it, you are going to do the linear inequality and everything lah, okay? When it comes to what we call using drawing and everything, please make sure you are using your pencil. And more specific, 2B pencil. More specific, 2B pencil. Tak ada macam mana cikgu? Kedai ekor banyak okay, boleh borong. Hari ni keluar. Okay, pencil, and of course when you have pencil and you want to erase, you have to do your you have to have your eraser for sure lah kan. This one need to remind every time. Dah. This one I terlebih Okay, sorry. Point. Okay. Make sure you are not going to have more than that. Okay. Finish. For your histogram. Done. Our histogram already. Okay. So you got already your 4 marks here. And this one given to us. State the shape. What shape you are going to have over here? This one, if you look, you are going to have it. Kita panggil apa? Pencong. Pencong it's more to the right, right? So this one we are going to have like this. This one. Pencong ke kanan. Or in English, it's going to be what? Pencong kanan lah. Pencong ke kanan. 1 marks only. Calculate the percentage of participant who runs for more than 45 minutes. Okay, this one. More than 45 minutes. If you look over here, okay, sorry. If you look over here, which one going to be more than 45 minutes? More than 45 minutes is not going to be from 41 to 45 there. More than 45, you are going to take this one. 46 to 50, 55. So you are going to have this one. Okay, you take straight away, the frequency going to be 18 plus 12 over here. We are going to get 30 students. So if we are going to find the percentage, you are going to get 30 students out of our student is 200 students. Okay, and because we are going to find percentage, you are going to times by 100% to 0, 0, 0, 0. So 3 divide by 2, I'm going to get 30 divide by 2, I'm going to get 15%. Straight away, 2 marks given. Okay, so this one going to be for our first topic first, which is the one that we take for our analysis just now. For Sukata Srakanda, the ranking there is going to be for our number 1. Okay, for next one going to be for our linear inequality in our two variable. This one, what you must know about the garisan lah. Okay, the garisan and also the how we are going to shade. Okay, shade the region. The region. Okay, for this one, not going to take all the questions. So what we are going to have over here. Oh, sorry. Right. Why did I cannot touch my wait, sorry. Where's my cursor? Hilang. Oh, I cannot touch it. Right. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay. So this one we are going to look at our questions regarding the section A. Section A for this one, for MRSM questions, whereas the questions number 7. Okay. So what we have over here, Hyrule sells X cups of iced tea and Y cups of hot coffee each day. The sales information for iced tea and hot coffee is represented by the following 3 linear inequalities. This one given. Okay, this one given in section A. Easy lah, right? Okay, it's given to us X plus with Y less than and equals to 100. Then we have the second one here, X minus Y more than and equals to 0. And the third one we have over here is Y more than 30. Okay. On the graph in the answer space, shade the region that satisfies all the linear inequalities above. Okay. For your information, okay, this type of question, actually, we are going to relate with our equation of straight line. Okay, bear in your mind, equation of straight line. Why is important for you to know the equation of straight line? This one going to be related. Okay, why? Okay, let us do this one. Okay, so first thing first, X plus Y equals first. I'm not going to look for less than and equals there. No, I'm going to have for my equation X plus Y equals to 100. Actually, it's given over here already, the graph there, 100 and 100. Okay. If it's not given, how did we want to know? Okay. Even though it say X plus Y just now is less than and equals to 100, I'm going to have, according to our equation of straight line, Y equals to mx plus c. Why it is important for us to follow the rule of the equation of straight line? Because we are going to draw a straight line, right? So actually, we are going to follow Y equals to negative X plus 100. And you remember that when our gradient is negative, you are going to have our straight line slant to the left. Okay, that's how we are going to relate, how we are going to take our graph over here. Okay, so this one actually is given already, no problem. Okay, you just take 100, x equals to 0, you are going to get y equals to 100. So you plot y at 100. When y equals to 0, you are going to get the x there is 100, x 100. You plot 2 there, then you are going to draw using the solid line. Because we are going to have two types of line for our inequality. They are going to be solid and also dash line. Dash line when we are going to have what? Just now we got y more than, and there are no equal sign, right? Okay. Second one there, x minus y. Okay, we do the second one here because it's not given here. Okay, x minus y more than and equals to 0. Okay, how about this one? How I want to know where I'm going to plot, or how did I want to make my straight line? Okay, this according to our straight line. Straight away, according to our straight line. Okay, y equals to mx plus c. So what you are going to do over here, you are going to make it equation first. X minus y equals to 0. Okay, equals to 0 first. Because later we are going to take the inequality sign for us to determine where we are going to shade our region. Okay, x minus y equals to 0. Is it comply with, or is it satisfied with our equation straight line? No. Why? Because y must be positive and our coefficient must be 1 for our y. So what we are going to do here, I'm going to switch place. So I'm going to get this one, y equals to x. Is it? Because if I bring x to the other side, it's going to be negative, right? So negative y equals to negative x. So I'm going to times by negative 1. So I get my y equals to x. So when you have y equals to x, you know already. Okay, when y 20, x is going to be 20. When according to our scale, okay? So actually, you are going to have it a straight line. Okay, this one supposedly you are going to have two dotted. Okay, I'm going to put over here 0, 0, 100, 100. Okay, when y 0, x also 0. When y 100, x also 100. So when you have two plotted over here, what you are going to do, we are going to make this one. We are going to use our inequality sign. Inequality sign state that is going to be what? Using more than and equals. So you are going to have your solid line. Did we need to name the line? Yes, no problem. You can name the line. Y equals to x. Okay, the third one we have over here, y more than 30. Okay, y more than 30. Y more than 30, that's going to be for our inequality. For us to do our straight line, you just put y equals to 30. This one easy. Why did I say easy? You just look at y-axis. You find for 30. Where is our y equals to 30 here? 30. So what we are going to do, you are going to make, this one is not a solid line. Why? Because they are not equal sign. So this one going to be your dot dash line. Alamak, dia punya ni tak sama. Okay, sorry. This one going to be dash line. There you go. Okay, after you do this one, y equals to 30. Now I want to shade where's going to be our region. Okay, first, x plus y, they want the green one there, 100, okay, less than. So it's going to be below. Below, right? Below here, everything. Okay, did we need to do like that? No, I want to determine where is it, right? So after that, what x minus y more than and equals to 0 at first. Okay, and then what happened over here? You are going to times by just now. Okay, sorry. This one, when you do negative y equals to negative x, what happened? You times by negative 1. This one also you times by negative 1. And what happened when we times with negative or divide by negative, your inequality sign going to change. Remember that. So when it become more than, now it become less than. This one, be careful. It's not going to be more than, it's going to be less than. That's why I said to you, I'm going to follow our equation of straight line. This is going to be very important. Okay. Okay. After you get that one, I know lah already. Why more than 30? So I'm going to shade only this one. Shade using pencil also. No need for you to bring your what? Highlight and everything. No need. Okay, no need. This one only for me lah. For me to show to you how we are going to get the region. Okay, there's going to be 3 marks there with the region. Okay, Hyrule sets a target to sell 80 cups of iced tea. Okay, this one, be careful with what is given to us just now. Okay, when you say over here iced tea, where's your iced tea? Iced tea is going to be for our x-axis. Okay, so means that you are going to get your x over here is 80. And then for our y, it's going to be hot coffee here for y. So 20 cups here for your y, hot coffee. So 80, x 80, y 20. X 80, y 20. X 80, y 20. X 80, y 20. Okay, so if you look over there, it's going to be here. Is it satisfied in our region? Yes or no? No. Okay. So you say, determine whether his target can be achieved or not. This is your first answer. No. Just put no or tidak. Or not achieved. Justify your answer. When it comes to justify your answer, this one's supposed to be 2 marks, right? No, 1 mark. Justify your answer is not in the shaded, not in the shaded. Okay, shaded region lah. Shaded region. Tak ada dalam ruangan yang berlorek. If you are going to get wrongly shaded, then it's going to be affected with our next question over here. Okay. 2 question, 1 hour. Okay, we are. Okay, for Melaka, that one, I'm going to skip first. Okay, we go for the third chapter over here, which is our set. Okay, this one at the ranking number 3. For the operation of set over here, you know already how we are going to get for our intersection, for our union, and how we are going to get the complement and everything. Okay, this one we are going to look first over here for our SABK questions regarding the questions number 5. This one also I given to you in the document that Brian shared with us just now. Okay. It is given that, okay, set M prime numbers. And set N, okay, is given over here, 19, 37, 47. Complete the Venn diagram below to show the relationship between set M and set N. Did we need to put our set M did we need to fill in our set notation there for our prime numbers? No need. Tak payah. Tak payah. Okay. What you are going to do over here, actually, we are going to show the relationship. They are going to be, either it's going to be intercept, is it going to be union, or another one going to be, so if you look over there, 19, 37, 47. What is that? It's actually in our prime numbers. Prime numbers, okay? In our prime numbers. So what happened over here? You just draw your subset of N. And you are going to put 19, 37, and 47. That's it. Set M, set N going to be our subset for set M. Subset, subtopic, subset. To relate over here. Okay, 2 marks given. Easy peasy, right? Okay, next one. The Venn diagram in analysis space shows set A, set B, set C. Okay, with the condition of the universal set A union B union C in the diagram shade. Okay. Right? Sorry. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. That one going to be our question there. Ah. Oh. The Venn diagram. Okay, one B1. Okay, sorry. B1 over here lah. This one. I need to shade for our complement of B. Okay, what does it mean by complement? At set B. No need to shade at B. So what happened over here? You just shade for our this one for the A, everything at A, because it's only given to us only one set there, set B, complement of it. So no need to shade at B there. This one actually going to be only for 1 marks. This one, the second one. The second one we are going to have over here. Okay, this one A complement intersect with B, and then we are going to have union with C. Okay, this one actually you can use your Roman technique. I know some of you got what? Gifted? Know already where to shade, right? So this one I just want to sharing with for those who do not how we are going to determine which one we are going to shade, which one we are going to shade. Okay, first thing first, I'm going to have my Roman. Okay, that one. So I'm going to be 2. So I'm going to be 3. This one going to be 4. Okay, what is that? This is going to be the region in our set. Okay, so if you look over here for set A first, you are going to have 1 and 2. Okay, set B, you are going to have over there 2 and 3. And for your set C, you are going to have only 4, right? 1, 2 for set A. Where is it? Here. Everything here. This one is set A, right? Set B, where is... alamak. Stroke. Where is set B? Here. And of course lah, set C is going to be only the square there only. Okay. So if you look over here, we are going to do in the bracket first. To determine the bracket, okay, we are going to find first for our complement of A, because we got over there our A. So complement of A actually going to be not in our set A, like our set B just now, right? A complement of B, right? So when it comes to complement, it's not in our set A, so it's going to be in set B and set C there. You are going to get 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This is going to be the complement. So if you look over here, it's saying that complement of A intersect with the complement, with our set B. So if you look there, we are going to try finding the intersect. What does it mean by intersect? It's going to be same. So same over here going to be only 3. This one. So you are going to have this one, 3. Okay. Do we need to shade 3 first? Wait. Because we got another one there. It's asking for us to have union with C. Means that union here, everything, all with our set C. Set C is 4, right? So union with C. So we are going to have over here with our 4. So this is the shaded region you must shade. Where is it? 3 only, 3 only. And also for this one by using our Roman technique. Some of the students, of course, I know, you are gifted, you know already how to do. Okay, no problem. Just straight away using your method and everything. No problem. Okay, I just sharing. Okay, this is going to be our, I need to speed up because we got 15. Okay, we go for our fourth one here where, Brian, is there any question? Takut saya jalan terus ni macam bullet train dah. Is there any question? Because I cannot. Brian? Okay, Brian is not. Puan Amalina? Macam mana saya nak tengok saya punya skrin ni? Hmm. Okay, I just. Boleh saya teruskan Boleh lah Okay.
Boleh check dekat dekat chat tu cikgu.
Ada tak? Sebab saya tak baca, saya terus je ni. Ada
Oh,
soalan ke?
okay.
Ada soalan? Puan Amalina
Ada
boleh?
kata, can you
Ha.
speak Malay while teaching? I can keep up. Campur-campur sikit. Pun
Campur-campur.
boleh.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. Okay, okay, okay. Kita pergi by bab Okay, no problem. Sorry, sorry.
Okay, some
Okay.
said, so we don't need to write down all prime number, no min and max
No,
in
no,
the
no.
Venn
No need, no need, no
diagram.
need, no need. Because it's not asking, dia tak, boleh cakap bahasa Inggeris lagi. Okay, no need to prime number just now because sebab tadi dia hanya beritahu kepada kita dekat sini, okay, there are no ask you to list. This one semalam saya baru cakap dengan student saya. If given to you to list, this one you tulis lah. This one no need.
Okay.
No need tulis, so no need. Just
Tak perlu tulis.
tak perlu tulis. Tak perlu
Ah.
tulis.
Okay, ada
Duduk.
yang tanya juga, so in exam paper 2, we need to use pen to write down the answer beside graph, histogram, and other including shape.
Yes, yes. Pen guna untuk buat pengiraan, pensel untuk lukisan. Sama ada graf, sama ada pelandungakan, sama ada nak shaded, sama apa-apa saja berkenaan dengan lukisan, pencil only. Tak boleh pen.
Okay.
Tak boleh. Saya boleh katakan haram. Kalau menggunakan pen.
Alright.
Okay. Ada lagi soalan?
Okay, another question. So let's say they ask us to create our own table. So must we include a row for the zero for or give graph?
No need.
Sir.
No need, no need, no need, no need. Or give graph, no need.
Hmm.
Just kalau dia suruh kita buat table, okay lah, boleh buat, boleh buat. Tapi you must remember that one for August kan. Dia ada tiga tu, histo, polygon kekerapan dan juga ogive. Ogive dan polygon kekerapan, ingat mesti mula dari kosong. Cuma polygon kekerapan sahaja mula kosong, habis kosong. Yang histogram no problem lah yang tu. Ada lagi soalan ke saya?
Alright.
Sebab saya sharing yang ni, saya jalan terus ni dekat saya
Tak
punya
apa.
slide ni.
Uh,
Boleh saya
and
teruskan?
and
Ada lagi,
okay,
ada
lagi
lagi.
soalan baru.
Ya.
So boleh guna jangka lukis yang pensel tekan tu tak?
Boleh, 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 boleh. Boleh. Nanti ada orang dah
Boleh.
ada, lepas tu jap lagi dia suruh mak dia beli lagi. Jangan bazir. Boleh, boleh, boleh. At least, at least you have compasses tu, dia ada sekali dengan pensel tekan tu, at least 2B lah dia punya lead tu. Sebab jangan ada BB lah, apa semua tu, HB lah. At least 2B.
Alright. Okay, ada lagi soalan tak?
Kalau ada soalan, kalau tak ada, saya nak teruskan ni sebab bagi kita dah.
Kita nak teruskan. Kita akan habis by 4 lah.
Itulah. Sebab saya ada
Ah,
15 saya punya target
sebab
tu untuk esok.
dia ada tanya pukul berapa habis. So, yes.
Ah,
So, ada lagi
ah.
soalan? Kalau tak ada, kita boleh proceed ke seterusnya.
Saya punya ambitious panjang sangat, terlampau banyak sangat soalan nak share kan. Okey.
Faham, cikgu?
Okey. Jadi kita pergi
Okay.
kepada
One last soalan, cikgu.
ya,
Cikgu,
ya,
boleh
ya.
kita guna pensel 2B atau mechanical pencil untuk exam?
Boleh.
Rasanya soalan.
Boleh,
Boleh.
boleh, boleh, boleh. Mechanical pencil, asalkan you punya mechanical pencil tu dia punya lead tu 2B. 2B.
2B.
Bukan B2.
2B lah, 2B.
2B, yes, 2B.
Alright, okay. So,
Saya
kita
teruskan
back to cikgu.
Paulina. Okey,
Kita
kalau ada
continue.
soalan lagi Paulina tolong saya. Thank you.
Boleh, boleh.
Okey. Okey, kita tadi ada orang dah komen cakap bahasa Melayu pula. Okey, kita cakap bahasa Melayu pula Okey. So kita tengok dekat sini soalan yang ranking yang keempat iaitu pengurusan kewangan. Okey, pengurusan kewangan kalau tengok dekat sini 2021 ada, 2022 ada, 2023 ada, 2024 dua-dua tempat dan 2025 mari sama-sama kita saksikan. Ada. Bukan. Saya tak tahu lagi. Tapi ini soalan trial ada. Okey. Okey, kita tengok soalan trial sebab yang ni adalah bab kebanyakan bab kalau awak perasan saya fokus kepada bab tingkatan 3, tingkatan 4. Sebab ni banyak banyak soalan sebenarnya. Tingkatan 3, tingkatan 4. Saya tak kata tingkatan 1, 2, 3 tu tak penting. Tak. Saya tak kata. That one is your foundation. Okey. 1, 2, 3 tu asas. Saya tahu dekat sini semuanya pakar-pakar dah. Okey? Jadi saya tak perlulah nak tunjuk, nak cari luas, isi padu lah, apa semua tak perlulah. Okey? Okey, this one kita tengok dia punya pelan kewangan Cik Saleh. Jadual 3 menunjukkan pelan kewangan Cik Saleh. Okey, untuk kita punya ni, saya tak tunjuk lah. Sorry, saya tak tunjuk dia punya ni bawah ni. Yes. Ni ada orang dia dah ingat-ingat lupa kan pelan kewangan kan. Okey, pelan kewangan ni just ingat berkenaan dengan kita punya pendapatan perbelanjaan. Pendapatan perbelanjaan. Pendapatan apa? Pendapatan. Duit masuk. Okey, pendapatan. Pendapatan ada dua. Okey, kita ada dua iaitu aktif, pasif. Ini sebab apa? Sebab ada soalan dia akan tanya. Berikan perbelanjaan. Uh, Perbelanjaan ada dua juga. Perbelanjaan ada dua juga. Perbelanjaan, dia ada apa? Dia ada uh, aktif pasif, yang ini tetap dan juga tidak tetap. Okey. Dua-dua ada perbezaan. Okey. Kalau aktif pendapatan dulu, saya pergi pendapatan dulu. Kalau aktif ni, apa duit masuk pendapatan? Duit masuk. Bila kata aktif ni, awak kena bekerja ataupun awak kena keluarkan masa, keluarkan tenaga, semua itulah untuk dapatkan duit aktif. Sebagai contoh, saya cikgu. Saya mengajar. Okey, saya dapat duit. Sebagai contoh, kalau saya buat kelas luar lah daripada saya punya waktu bekerja, saya dapat itu pun pendapatan aktif juga. Disebut aktif. Side income saya pun, yang itu disebut sebagai aktif. Sebab apa? Sebab saya perlu bekerja. Saya perlu bekerja untuk dapat. Contoh, kalau saya buat pekerjaan Grab. Contoh, aktif. Itu aktif. Walaupun orang kata, oh, bukan side income ke? Yes. Side income tu, okay, kalau awak kena bekerja, itu dipanggil sebagai pendapatan aktif. Apa-apa sahaja kita menggunakan tenaga, menggunakan masa kita, semua tu, itu dikategori sebagai pendapatan aktif. Sebab saya takut ada kata, oh, pendapatan pasif ni side income. Okay, side income. Okay, pasif ni, duduk-duduk, tiba-tiba bunyi duit masuk. Sebagai contoh apa? Sewa. Kan? Yang tu pendapatan pasif. Sebagai contoh, kalau orang yang dia buat buku. Dia buat buku, dia kena buat buku. So, yang tu aktif. Tapi, for long term, kalau orang bayar royalty, itu termasuk dalam pendapatan pasif. Royalty, dia tak perlu dah kerja. Duit tu masuk je. Okay? Yang tu awak kena faham. Sebab, yelah, even though 1 marks going to be asking you this type of question, saya takut awak tersalah faham maksud. Okay. Tetap. Tetap ni pun perbelanjaan. Duit keluar. Okay. Tetap ni maksudnya, every month you must pay. Installment. Bayaran bulanan. Okay. Installment. Pendapatan tidak tetap, perbelanjaan tidak tetap pula adalah yang mengikut kesesuaian. Macam bil utility, petrol, makan. Ya, Puan Amelina, ada soalan lagi
Ada, ada.
Ya, apa tu?
Teacher, is dividend counted as passive income?
Passive. Dividend. You are not working. Dividend masuk. Dividend. Yes, passive. Thank you for asking given the apa dividend tu. Okay. Yang tu passive. Yang tu kita kena tahu. Sebelum saya pergi ni Okay, sebab untuk yang ni pun kamu kena tahu yang ni. Smart konsep kan. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time bound. Kalau ditanya, insyaAllah boleh jawab. Okay. Okay. So kita kenapa saya tak boleh nak ni? Sorry. Kita pergi pada soalan sebab saya takut awak lupa. So saya ingatkan. Okay. So kita baca baliklah ni soalan mana ni? Sarawak. Okay. So jadual 3 menunjukkan pelan kewangan Cik Saleh. Okay, kita ada sini gaji bersih. Okay, dalam pendapatan. Lepas tu dibagi dah dekat sini bajet perbelanjaan, pinjaman rumah, ansuran kereta, premium insurans. Tiga di atas ni saya dah tahu dah. Ini adalah aktif. aktif pula. Perbelanjaan tetap. Okey. Bil utility, perbelanjaan dapur, belanja petrol, bil telefon, simpanan ini kita kategorikan sebagai perbelanjaan tidak tetap. Okey, tidak tetap. Okey. Gaji tu dia bagi tahu gaji bersih sajalah. Okey, hitung aliran tunai. Ini paling senang. Aliran tunai kita ambil semua perbelanjaan pendapatan, tolak semua perbelanjaan. Kalau tengok dekat sini, okey, saya cari dulu perbelanjaan saya 1,100 tambah 850 tambah 300 tambah 400 tambah 1,200 tambah 500 tambah 200 tambah dengan 500. Awak ada kalkulator boleh guna juga. 5,000 RM50. Jadi di sini kalau tengok kita punya gaji bersih adalah pendapatan kita 5,600. Awak tolak dengan RM5,050. So awak akan dapat baki dia 550. Inilah aliran tunai. Aliran tunai terdapat dua. Kalau positif, aliran tunai positif. Kalau negatif, aliran tunai negatif. So, hitung aliran tunai, dapat. Jelaskan jawapan anda. Jelaskan tu aliran tunai positif. Hanya sebut aliran tunai Encik Saleh ialah aliran tunai positif. Itu saja. Pelan kewangan ni insyaAllah senang. Okay. We go straight away to our next one. Ini pun soalan favorite. Sebab apa? Sebab soalan matrix, kalau awak ingat, kita dah belajar waktu menengah rendah. Bukan belajar matrix. Okay. Kita menggunakan untuk dapatkan dua persamaan. Okay. Kita guna apa? Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad. Penggantian dan juga penghapusan. Ada satu lagi dah. Kaedah graf. Tapi tak pernah keluar. Kaedah graf ni tak pernah keluar. Tak tahulah kalau tahu ni keluar. Okay, kaedah graf. Untuk kita menentukan dia punya nilai X dan nilai Y. Okay. Jadi matrix ni sebenarnya kita ambil daripada menengah rendah. Okay, kita ambil daripada menengah rendah. Okay, matrix ni memang dah ada dalam kita punya list of the formula dekat depan. Okay. Cuma kita perlu tahulah, okay, apa itu matrix identity, macam mana nak darab matrix, bagi tak ada, tambah tolak ada, okay. Dan juga yang paling famous ni matrix sonsang lah, okay, matrix sonsang. Okay, persamaan serentak ni memang yang kita guna pakai lah, okay, yang akan kita guna pakai. Okay, kita tengok soalan dalam matrix. Ini soalan negeri saya. Negeri saya tu. Okay. Soalan Selangor. Bahagian B soalan 13. Okay, kita tengok sama-sama dekat sini. Ramai dekat sini daripada Selangor tadi kan, waktu Brian tu mencari bertanya-tanya tadi. Okey, kita tengok dekat sini. Diberi 1, 2. Okey, ingat matrix kita kena baca laju. Dulu. Row dulu, baru kolom. Okey, 1, 2, M 3/2. Sama juga 3, -4, -1, 2. Sama dengan I. Tu yang saya kata tadi tu. Apa tu I? I itu ialah matrix identity. Kena tahu tu. Okay. So, bila matrix identity, kita tahu matrix identity dia akan dalam bentuk 4 segi saja. Dia akan mula dengan binary code. Ingat, 1001. Sebab sini matrix kita matrix 2 darab 2. Itu matrix I kita ataupun identity matrix. Okay. Soalan dia nak hitung nilai M. Dia nak hitung nilai M. M itu kalau awak tengok, dia berada pada baris kedua lajur pertama. Baris kedua lajur pertama. Awak boleh ambil mana-mana saja untuk pendarapan dekat sana untuk dapat pada matrix identity awak. Okey, sebagai contoh, saya ambil yang pertama. Okey, kalau saya ambil baris roko. Ramai orang tahu roko tu apa kan? Baris row yang kedua, dia row yang kedua, saya akan darab dengan baris pertama. Okey, kalau tengok dekat sana, kita akan darab ini. 3/2 ni, kita akan darab dengan -1. Kita akan dapat yang mana? Kita akan dapat baris row yang kedua, kolom yang pertama. So, yang ni, kita akan dapat di sini. Boleh tak yang lain, cikgu? Boleh. Kalau awak nak ambil baris kedua, lajur kedua. Maksudnya dekat mana? Dia akan dapat yang ni. M 3/2 juga, awak akan dapat dekat sini. -4 dengan 2. Tapi dia akan dapat yang mana? Dia akan dapat pada 1 sini. Salah satu lah mana yang awak nak. Okey. Pilih salah satu. Okey. So saya ambil kosong Saya ambil yang kosong tu. So maksudnya saya akan ambil dekat sana M didarab dengan 3. Jawapan sama ke cikgu? Sama. Tambah 3/2 didarab -1. Okey. So awak akan dapat sama dengan kosong. Persamaan pertama. Itu yang pemeriksa akan tengok. Okey, pemeriksa akan tengok. Betul pendarapan, cara pendarapan awak. Okey, yang ni kita carilah 3 darab M sama dengan 3M. Okey, -3/2 bawa pergi sebelah. So akan dapat 3/2 je. So 3 bawa sebelah, dia akan bahagi dengan 3. So awak akan dapat 3/2 dibahagi dengan 3. Awak akan dapat M awak ialah 1/2. Yang satu lagi pun sama juga. Okey, ini kalau dia bagi identiti. Satu lagi dia suka tanya apa? Matriks yang tiada matrik penentu. Dia tentukan matrik penentu tu. Ada juga. Okey? Dia mengatakan dia tiada matrik songsang. Bila tiada matrik songsang, ingat balik. Matrik songsang kita apa? Inverse. Inverse matrix. Ramai tahu tu. 1/AD minus BC. Betul? Lepas tu apa? Apa kita panggil? Butterfly. Okey. A turun bawah. D naik atas. Negatif B, negatif C. Betul? Ni. Okey. Bila this one is our inverse. Okey. Bila dia kata dia tak ada matriks songsang, maksudnya penentu ni sama dengan kosong. Baru kita akan boleh cari. Awak kena tulis AD tolak BC sama dengan kosong. Bila dia cakap, bukan dia cakap lah, dia nyatakan dekat sana, matriks tiada matriks songsang. Tiada matriks songsang. Okey? Jadi awak kena tulis dekat sini, AD tolak BC sama dengan kosong. Ini kamu kena faham apa itu matrik penentu. Ini tak ada matrik penentu ini. Okey. So dapat yang ini 2 markah. Okey, next. Yang ni barulah kita nak buat soalan berkaitan matrik. Sebab kadang-kadang sebab ini soalan matrik memanglah dia guna suruh matrik kan. Okey, ada setengah soalan, dia bagi soalan yang sama macam ni tapi dia akan tulis dekat sana tanpa menggunakan kaedah matrik. Itu sebab saya kata tadi awak perlu mahir 2 daripada 3 metod. Saya tahu metod yang ketiga tu ramai yang tak nak buat. Okey? 2 daripada 3 metod iaitu penggantian, penghapusan dan juga satu metod lagi ialah menggunakan graf. Sebenarnya 3-3 akan dapat jawapan sama. Okey, tapi yang soalan ni adalah kita nak guna kaedah matrik. Okey. Tulis dulu bersama ini untuk mewakili. Sorry, saya tak baca soalan. Okey. Persatuan Drama dan Muzik Sekolah Lisa mengadakan satu pertunjukan. Lisa merupakan salah seorang ahli persatuan tersebut. Jadual 3 menunjukkan bilangan tiket yang dijual oleh Lisa. Okey, hari pertama, murid bukan murid. Jumlah kutipan. So, kita dah dapat dekat sini soalan dia. Tulis 2 persoalan ini untuk mewakili situasi di atas. Seterusnya dengan menggunakan kaedah matrik. Okey, baca ni. Apa yang dia nak? Yang pertama dia kata dia nak hitung harga sekeping tiket murid. Sini murid. Dan sekeping tiket bukan murid. Maksudnya dia nak nilai X, nilai Y. Saya terus bagi tahu X, Y. Saya suka pakai X, Y. Saya tak nak MB. Tak. Saya pakai X, Y. Senang. Okay. So, kamu sendiri kena tentukan. Okay. Mana satu X? Okay. Saya nak X saya murid. Tentukan situ. Okay. Bila awak tentukan, awak sendiri kena tulis. Okay. Saya akan tulis sini. Murid ialah X. Manakala bukan murid, okey, saya yang tentukan kamu yang tentukanlah. Okey. Variable boleh tak kisah. A sampai Z. Pilihlah. Selalunya kita pakai X, Y lah, senang. Okey. So di sini kalau awak lihat, dia suruh kita tulis 2 persamaan, terus awak dapat dah. Kenapa? Sini persamaan dia. Maksudnya murid dah X, okey, murid dah X sini kan. Lepas tu bukan murid dah Y. So 4X, persamaan pertama awak dapat 4X tambah dengan 5Y sama dengan 102. Sebab dia dah bagi dah dalam bentuk jadual. Senang. Kalau bagi jadual memang insya-Allah senang membantu awak. Okey? Yang ini pula yang kedua, persamaan kedua. Terus awak dapat 7x ditambah 5y sama dengan 126. Yang akan jadi keliru sikit, confusing sikit tu bila dia buat dalam bentuk ayat. Yang tu kena hati-hati. Okay, so once dah dapat dah kita punya persamaan linear, jadi ni sebenarnya bila awak dapat persamaan linear, awak akan namakanlah ni persamaan 1 kan. Ni persamaan 2 sebab kalau tanpa menggunakan kaedah matriks, awak kena guna pergantian atau penghapusan. Okay, so selepas kita dah dapat yang ni, kita akan bentukkan dalam bentuk matriks. Saya tahu bila kata bentuk matriks, ramai yang pakar. 4, 5, 7, 5. Terus keluar. 4, 5, 7, 5. Buat X, Y, X, Y. Buat sama dengan 102, 126. Terus. Daripada persamaan, dapat satu markah, awak tukar dalam bentuk matriks, awak dapat markah yang kedua. Markah yang kedua. Okey. Untuk matriks ni, saya suka ingatkan, saya. Okey. Saya suka ingatkan, saya terus nyatakan yang mana satu A, B, C, D. Saya tak kata wajib. Ini saya suka ingatkan. Sebab apa? Sebab tak nak confuse bila kita... Alamak, sekejap. Saya punya bateri. Okey. Confuse. Takut terconfuse. Kalau tak nak letak, tak ada masalah. Okay? Kenapa? Sebab kita akan gunakan kita punya, mana tadi? Ni. Matrik sonsang. Okay? Kita akan gunakan matrik sonsang. Okay? Jadi yang ni pun ada dalam awak punya list of formula kan? So, X, Y. Okay? Kita bawa sebelah. So, saya akan ambil 1/AD. So, AD tu darab 4 darab dengan 5. Tolak BC 5 darab 7. Cikgu, kalau kami guna, ada orang kata, guna kalkulator. Boleh tak? Boleh. Tak ada masalah. Tak ada masalah. Boleh guna kalkulator. Okay. So, yang ini, kita akan buat butterfly. Maksudnya, tukar tempat dulu. 5, 4. Lepas tu, ini kita tukar tanda. Negatif. Jangan tukar tempat pula. Okay. Negatif 7. Yang itu buat apa? Salin balik. Jangan lupa yang kita ada di sini 102 dan 126. Okay. Yang ini kita boleh guna kalkulator ataupun awak ada satu lagi yang saya tekan kepada murid adalah menggunakan ROCO. Kaedah ROCO. Row and column. Row and column. Okay. Okey, untuk yang ini kita akan dapat apa dulu? So, 4 darab 5, 20. Tolak dengan 5 darab 7, 35. Negatif. Okey, kita akan dapat negatif 1/15. Okey, yang ini saya gunakan kaedah ROCO. ROCO tu apa? Ada orang tahu, ada orang tak tahu. Okey, tak apa, kita sharing. Petang ni kita sharing. Okey, copy. Okey, saya letak sebelah. Yang ni saya tunjuk macam mana saya buat kaedah ROCO lah. ROCO. So, macam mana kaedah dia? Ambil ni. Turun bawah. Ada orang dia guna kalkulator, proceed. No problem. Saya tak kata salah. Cuma yang ni saya tunjukkan kaedah macam mana kita nak cari jawapan menggunakan row dan column. Okay. So, kita akan dapat yang pertama. Yang pertama ni macam mana? Okay. Ambil row dulu. Row tu apa? 5. Kita akan darab dengan 5 darab dengan 102 ke atas tu. Okay. Okay. Tadi untuk matrik penentu kita tolak. Untuk ROCO ni kita akan tambah. Okey. Tambah apa? Tu negatif 5 dengan 126. Okay. Sama juga dengan yang kedua. Row yang kedua, kolom. So, cuma ubah apa? Yang ni dapat negatif 7. Atas tu 102 tambah 4 darab dengan 126. Guna kalkulator. Okey, guna kalkulator pun hati-hatilah. Okey. 5 darab 102 tambah negatif 5 darab dengan 126. So, saya akan dapat negatif 120 yang ni. Negatif 120 untuk yang pertama. Yang kedua ni, nilai yang saya akan dapat negatif 7 darab dengan 102 ditambah dengan 4 didarab dengan 126. Tutup kurungan akan dapat negatif 210. Dapat yang ini. Okay. pindahkan saja. Negatif 120 dan juga negatif 210. Okey. Lepas guna rokok tadi. Okey. Lepas tu buat apa? Darab lah. Okey. So kita ada dekat sini negatif-negatif positif lah 120. Kalau kita bagi dengan 15, automatik awak akan dapat nilai X awak. Yang pertama 8 dan nilai Y awak akan dapat 210 bahagi 15, 14. Okey, ini tolong hati-hati. Jangan tinggalkan jawapan dalam bentuk matriks. Tolong. Sebab awak dah cantik dah. Dah buat cantik sampai dapat jawapan dah. Lepas tu awak tinggal dia macam tu. Memang betul jawapan dia X sama dengan 8, Y sama dengan 14. Yes. Balik kepada soalan. Tadi saya dah bagi tahu. Apa? Cuba baca soalan. Dia kata apa? Dengan menggunakan kaedah metrik kan? Hitung harga sekeping tiket murid. Awak kena tulis. Kalau saya wajibkan pelajar saya tulis. Tulis apa? Tulis murid. Tulis balik. Harga murid. Mana tadi tu? Ni. Murid. Sebab dia nak harga apa? Harga tiket. Harga tiket mesti dalam RM. Tulislah. RM RM8. Okey. Lepas tu, bukan murid. Bukan pula dah. Bukan. Bukan murid. Y. Kita tulis RM14. Cikgu, adakah kalau saya tak tulis macam ni, saya hanya tinggalkan X, Y sama dengan 8 per 14 itu dalam bentuk matrik, saya dapat full mark? Tidak. Awak kehilangan satu markah. Rugi tu. Dah buat cantik dah. Tulis yang ni je. Okey. Itu baru dapat full marks, 5 markah. Itu apa tu ada soalan seterusnya lah. Sebab yang ni dia ada kaitan dengan soalan yang pertama tadi. Okey. Mira, tadi Lisa ni Mira. Okey. Mira mempunyai RM100. Dia ingin membeli 5 keping tiket murid dan 7 keping tiket bukan murid. Adakah dia mempunyai wang yang cukup untuk membeli tiket tersebut? Okey, itu ayat soalan ayat dia. Adakah? So, dia boleh jadi ya atau tidak. Mesti jawab yang tu. Lepas tu, baca yang kedua tu, justifikasikan jawapan anda dengan menggunakan pendarapan metrik. Ingat, darab metrik, row, kolom dia mesti orang panggil apa? Dia punya yang kedua tu mesti dua yang dengan pertama tu mesti sama. Okey. Maksudnya macam mana? Okey. Contoh dia kata dekat sini, sorry, 5 keping murid, 5 keping murid, 5 keping tiket murid, 7 keping tiket bukan murid. Okey. Jadi kita dah dapat apa tadi? Harga. Harga murid, sorry. Harga murid RM8. Harga bukan murid RM14. Jadi apa saya nak buat dekat sini? Saya kena bentukkan. Okey. Untuk murid 5 macam tu. 7 keping bukan murid. 5, 7 macam ni. Untuk matriks yang harga tu, awak kena buat 8 dan juga 14. Kena bentukkan. Okey, atau setara lah. Ada orang kata, cikgu, kalau saya letak dulu bukan murid, lepas tu dekat sebelah sana pun kena ikut juga. Harga bukan murid, dia ikuti dengan harga murid. Okey, sebab dia mesti row and column dia tu mesti sama kan. Supaya kita boleh buat pengiraan. Kalau tengok dekat sini, 5 darab 8. Kalau ikutkan 5 darab 8 teruslah kan. 5, 8. Tunjuk sebab dia kata sini, dengan menggunakan kaedah metrik. Okey, so 5 darab 8 ditambah dengan satu lagi adalah 7 darab 14 sebenarnya. Kaedah metrik yang itulah. Awak kena tunjukkan setara. Okey. So dekat sini 5 darab 8 40. So 40 ditambah dengan 14 darab dengan 7 kita dapat 98. So jumlah dia adalah 40 ditambah dengan 98 138. Dia ada berapa ringgit? Dia ada 100. Cukup tak? Tidak mencukupi. Jadi ayat ni dia kata, adakah dia mempunyai wang yang cukup untuk membeli tiket tersebut? Tulis dulu. Tidak mencukupi. Menjawab yang pertama tu. Yang kedua tu, justifikasi jawapan, awak dah buat dah. Tu, awak dah buat kaedah metrik tersebut. Siap. Okey. Itu adalah kita punya soalan matriks. Baru pergi nombor 5. InsyaAllah kita try. Okey.
Cikgu
Yang
ada soalan.
Oh, ada soalan. Ya, 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 ya.
Okay. Anushri tanya, Sir, can Sir please state the methods question asked related to matrix question other than the metric method? Thank you, Sir.
Oh, penggantian dan ni dia nak soalan yang bukan guna kaedah metrik lah tu. Soalan
Hmm.
kan. Boleh.
Mm-mm.
No problem. Soalan yang ni lah kita pakai yang ni tapi tanpa menggunakan kaedah metrik. Can, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
So this
Another
one,
question?
another question.
Ah.
Okay,
Satu
boleh,
lagi,
boleh,
boleh
boleh.
sini.
Tak apa, tak apa, tak apa.
So kalau saya just tekan calculator terus tanpa buat jalan kira macam Sir, tak apa ke?
Tak apa. Kan saya kata tadi. Ada orang dia guna kalkulator terus dapat. Okey, yang pertama okey, saya jawab dulu yang kedua, soalan kedua Puan Malina. Okey. Untuk soalan yang kedua tu, dia kata tanpa dengan menggunakan kalkulator. Okey, make sure kena ada ini dulu. Yang pertama, awak punya persamaan. Yang kedua, bentukkan dalam bentuk matriks. Yang kedua, yang ketiga, mesti tunjukkan matriks songsang awak. Ini tiga. Lepas tu awak guna kalkulator, terus dapat jawapan, tak ada masalah. Awak tak perlu pun nak tunjuk kaedah yang ni. Tak perlu, tak wajib. Ini hanya saya tunjukkan bagaimana guna kaedah row column bagi orang yang tak pandai menggunakan kalkulator. Sebab kadang-kadang tu bila dah masuk day one exam dia jadi semuanya hilang. Nak guna kalkulator tu kadang-kadang tu dia yalah, ada orang dah practice make perfect. Okay, no problem, tak ada masalah. Okay, no problem. Okay, itu menjawab soalan kedua. Soalan pertama, saya balik pada soalan pertama. Okay, tanpa menggunakan kaedah metrik macam mana? Okay, mari kita cuba yang ini Sekejap sorry, saya ambil soalan yang sama dan kita akan tengok jawapannya sama ke tak. Oh, okay. Saya letak sebelah sini. Mana dia? Okay. Let's say lah soalan tadi. Okay. Let's say soalan tadi. Okay. Tanpa menggunakan kaedah metrik. Kita dah tahu jawapan betul kan? Tapi kita tanpa menggunakan kaedah metrik. Macam saya kata tadi, kita tiga method, three methods. Penggantian, okay, substitution, elimination, penghapusan, ataupun kita menggunakan kaedah graph method. Okay, this one, kalau tengok, okay, bagi saya lah, saya ada persamaan satu, persamaan dua, saya terus buat penghapusan. Kenapa? Terus buat penghapusan. Nak hapus je Okay. Macam mana saya nak hapuskan? Kalau tengok dekat sini, ni dah bulat dah Okay. Ni, saya akan ambil yang ini. Yang sama. 5Y, 5Y. Okay, kita nak hapuskan dia. Nak hapuskan macam mana? Ambil besar tolak kecil lah. So, kamu akan ambil persamaan 2 tolak persamaan pertama. Saya guna penghapusan elimination. So, bila 2 tolak 1, maksudnya 7X tolak 4X. Awak akan dapat 3X. 5Y tolak 5Y, habis. Halas. Okay. 126 tolak dengan 102. Dapat 24. So, X awak 24 bahagi 3 dapat 8. Dah dapat, sorry. Tak boleh buat macam tu lagi. Sabar. Add maths tak boleh Jangan buat hashtag tu Okay. Once you dah dapat your X, and then you are going to substitute into either first equation or the second equation. So we use the smallest one going to be our, we are going to subs into our first equation. So you just take 4 times with 8 plus with 5y equals to 102. And then this one, 4 times with 8, I'm going to get 32. So 102 minus with 32, I'm going to get 70. So 5y equal to 70. Y equals to 70 divided by 5. I'm going to get 14. So you akan dapat sama. Y awak 14. X awak akan dapat RM8. Sama macam tadi kita dapat. Saya harap menjawab soalan yang pertama tadi. Without using matrix method substitution or elimination. Okay, saya teruskan pergi kepada kita punya soalan bab yang seterusnya. Saya boleh tekan. Okay. Matrix done. Now we are going to do for our next one here. This is going to be for our congruent and the combined transformation. Actually, the combined transformation, this one going to be at the ranking number 6 and is going to be, saya boleh kata dia most mark lah. Okay, 2021 and 2024. Dia tak keluar pada 2022. 2023 dia keluar hanya pada section A saja. So 2025, is it going to be coming out again? We try. Okay, this one going to be at our 6th ranking. Okay. Actually for the chapter 5 over here. Okay, this one is up to you lah if you want to how you want to remember this one. SSS. Okay, CC sudut CC. Okay, this one not SSS. That one going to be side angle side. Dia guna bahasa Inggeris ni sebenarnya. Okay, nah this one, and also how you are going to remember the enlargement. Banyak enlargement kalau negatif dia akan berada bertentangan itu. Okay. Okay, combine and also combine transformation. Kita akan mula dari belakang ke depan. And also this one terselasi. Terselasi tu dia ikut coraknya yang akan berulang. Okay, we are going to look first for our questions over here. Regarding this one, MRSM section B, the 13 questions number 13. Okay, we look over here for our ini saya cakap bahasa Inggeris pula tadi bahasa Melayu. Gili-gili Okay. So 13A over here, diagram 7.1 shows two triangles KLM and RST. Okay. So if you look, state the property of triangle congruency. Sama macam tadi. Yang baru saya sebut apa? SSS ke ataupun SAS kan? Okay. This one, you to determine both triangle are congruent. 1 marks given. Okay. So if you look over here, dia dah bagi apa? Dia dah bagi ni. KL and also RS. This one side. Lepas tu kita ada LM and ST also side. So side, side. And you have your angle at that one. So side, side, angle. Why not side, angle, side? Side, angle, side if you are going to have angle in the middle. Tengah-tengah. So you are going to have side, angle, side. For this one, side, side, angle. So you just put over here. Is it compulsory for us to put side, 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 angle? Or we just take as SSA in English. Boleh? SSA. Diterima. 1 marks only that one. Okay. This one 1 mark only for congruency. This one, we are going to look for our trapezium. PQRS, okay, on left side that one. KLMN, okay, small one inside our ABMC there. Okay. You say that KLMN is the image of PQRS. Okay, look first for our KLMN is the image for PQRS. This one is image. So, mean this one going to be your object. PQRS is your object. KLMN is your image. You must determine which one your object, which one your image. Okay, under transformation T, then we have ABMC. ABMC, the big one there. When it become big over here, we know it's going to be involving with our enlargement. Okay, or is the image of our KLMN. Okay, after we are going to have our object PQRS to our image KLMN, and then that image you are going to have your second image, which is going to be enlarged, ABMC there under transformation U. Okay, just now I just said to you lah. Which is for our object to image, this one, how we are going to, if you look over here, PQRS is going to be at the vertical way like that. Vertical way. This one, okay lah, I go for QR lah, QR. Okay, we go for QR there. Okay, if you look at your QR over here, QR here, This one, you are going to have the same with our image here with ML. Am I right? So if you look, QR is horizontal. Your ML there is vertical. What shape you have? What shape you have? You have 90 degree like this. Okay, so when we have 90 degree, automatically you are going to state this one as your rotation. Okay, for us to determine that one, okay, let me do some. Okay, we have for the transformation. This one just a quick recap only. Okay, transformation, we have how many type of transformation? First of all, you are going to have your translation. Okay, remember your translation, you are going to have A, B, which is your A here going to be for our x-axis, positive going to be to the right side, negative to the left side. B is going to be for our y-axis. If it's going to be move upwards, positive, downwards is going to be negative. That's going to be translation. And translation, back in your mind, okay, please remember that the object and image, the orientation going to be the same. Actually, for all our translation, rotation, and reflection, all our objects are going to be congruent. Congruent means that same shape, same size. Okay, same shape, same size. Okay, that's going to be translation. Then we have our rotation. Okay, for rotation, I need you to remember. You need to remember about the A, C, D. What is that? Tadi A, B, C. This one A, C, D. First is going to be angle, center, direction. A, C, D. Okay, direction. A, C, D. You must determine these three. Angle, is it going to be 90 or 180? If 180, there are no direction. Okay, just remember that one. Okay, center, we have to find out that one lah. Direction, there are going to be two. Either it's going to be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, that's going to be for rotation. And the third one going to be our, sorry, not last one lah. This one going to be our reflection. Okay, for reflection, you must have what? Axis of reflection, your mirror. Axis of reflection. This one you must remember. And last but not least, this one going to be important lah. Enlargement. Enlargement, I'm going to have our KO. Oh, what is KO? Okay, K stand for scale factor. Okay, to get our scale factor, you must have your image over object. When it comes to your area, okay, so when it comes area, so area of image, you are going to get square, right? So you are going to get K square equals to area of image over area of object. That's two lah. Okay, just need to remember Q for enlargement. This is only a recap. Okay, so I need to describe in full. Okay, first thing first, what we have over there just now, we got our QR horizontal, our ML vertical. So you have over here your 90 degree. So we know that it's going to be involving our transformation T here is our rotation. So just put rotation first. You are going to have 1 marks given. Rotation, award 1 marks straight away. Okay. Then we know that rotation going to be 3. Okay. First, I got just now is 90 degree. Right? Okay. Now I want to determine my rotation over here. Is it going to be like that? Or is it going to be clockwise or anti-clockwise? This one anti. It's moving like that. Am I right? It's moving like that. Okay? So it's going to be 90 degree anti-clockwise. Okay. After we do our arrow just now for our direction, after I do the direction, I know already my center going to be opposite from our direction arrow. The direction arrow there. So how did I want to determine my center? How did I want to determine my center? If you look over there, okay, I'm going to get at least two of my vertices. Okay, I have to determine over here. If you look, I want to determine, okay, so I just put over here Q. You are going to get with your L here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a straight line between M and L over here. And I'm going to find for our center. Okay, remember, center going to be opposite. You are going to get opposite from our direction there. Okay, so if you look over here, I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Hey, wait. Q, R. Yeah. Correct. Sorry. So this one, what you are going to do, I'm going to draw first. Kecilkan dia thickness. Okay, so we are going to draw for the straight line over here. Okay, what we are going to draw this one, Q to L. Okay, so I'm going to find this one. Alamak. Tak cantik lah pula. Okay, wait. If I take another MR. So this one also I'm going, this one more easy lah. M and R. Okay. M with R. So if M with R over here, I'm going to get 3. So I'm going to be 3. 1, 2, 3. This one easy. Sorry. Thickness. 3. Okay. So I'm going to have over here 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be in the middle, 90 degree. So how do I want to have 90 degree? So it's going to be in the middle here. Half, 1. 1.5. Okay, going to be in the middle from our, this one 90 degree. Okay, from our vertices there, M and R just now. So my center going to be at -1 and 2 there. -1 and 2. This one, if we do this one, if we are using our Q and L over here, also can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is going to be 3.5. 1, 2, 3.5. So I'm going to have this one. So if you look, you are going to get the same. Just now, this one. There. Okay. This one to determine our center. A little bit technical lah. This one to have our center. So you have your center here is -1, 2. -1, 2. So 90 degree anti-clockwise at our center here. You are saying at -1, 2. That's our center. Okay, that's for our transformation T. Okay, then we are going to have for our transformation U. Okay, transformation U, if you look over there, you are going to enlarge, like I say just now, right? So we are going to have over here as our enlargement. For our U here, you are going to state as an enlargement. And I already recapped just now, enlargement is going to be involving with Q. So you must have enlargement, a scale factor. Okay, this one for scale factor, if I take ML just now, you are going to get to MB. If you are saying MN, you are going to go for MC. Either one lah, you are going to take for us to find for our scale factor. So if I do this one, I'm going to go for ML with our MB. Okay, this one, if you look over here, MB going to be our image. ML, they're going to be your object. Okay, because that one going to be your first image. After you get your first image, then you get the second image, right? Your first image going to be your object lah. So you are going to have your scale factor over here. K equals to image. Image is MB. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over the image, the object there, M to L, I'm going to get 2. So you are going to get your scale factor over here is 2. Straight away, scale factor is 2. Okay, center, where is the point not moving there? Which one? It's going to be at M. You are going to have over here enlargement, okay, with scale factor. Scale factor 2. And you can say over here at the center, you can say center here M, or you are saying 0, 0 as our coordinate. You can say M also acceptable, no problem. Okay, so that's going to be for our 6 marks. Another 2 marks. Brian, can I finish this one? Can, yeah, okay. Because Brian appear already. Okay, this one is asking for us to find. It is given that the area of PQRS is 6 centimeters square. It's involving with the area now. Okay, involving with the area. Okay, so it's saying about PQRS. So remember back, where's your PQRS? PQRS is our green one here just now is our object. Am I right? Our object. Okay, so PQRS is 6. There is going to be our object. Okay. Calculate the area in centimeters square. The region of our A, B, L, K, and C. Okay. A, B, A, B, L. Okay, let me have over here. A, B, L, K, and C. Means that we are going to have everything supposedly is going to be minus with our image there. Okay, so remember back, that how we are going to find for our scale factor. K equals to I over O. When it comes to area, you are going to put square, and this one, the area of given over here is our area of object, this one. So you are going to get our K. Remember, your K just now is 2. Okay, you just substitute over here, 2 square equals to the area of image, that one we are going to find actually. So I just bring object to the other side. So I just times by 6. This one bring to the other side. 6 equals to the area of image. We want to find the area of image or just now. Okay, so we are going to get the area of image is 2 square is going to be 4. 4 times by 6, you're going to get 24. But that's not going to be your answer. Why is it? Just now, like I say, there are going to be image inside, and sorry, there are going to be our object inside our image, right? So what you must do, you are going to minus. Minus with our, after you get that one, because this one is asking for us to find the region of A, B, L, K, and C. This one is going to be the area of our image, the big one. So to get our region there, to get our region of A, B, L, sorry, K and C here, you are going to get 24. You must minus with 6. So we are going to get 18 centimeter square. Okay. That's for the our number 6. Okay. Right. I think I only managed to cover until the 6 only. 7, 8, 9, 10, I already give, until 15, I already given to them the questions, and they can try to.
Yes, thank you so much, Cikgu Faizal.
Allah.
Okay,
So ambitious. I want to finish 15, but I managed to finish only 6 only.
Yeah, I think it's a bit difficult in 2 hours, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So, guys, there you have it. if you have not downloaded teacher's question, it's actually in the chat box, and also it's in the WhatsApp community that we have shared with all of you. Okay. There's a question. Hi sir, ada schema tak for this PDF?
Oh, you want schema? Okay, later I give it to you, Brian. Can?
Okay. All right.
Later,
Thank you,
later.
Cikgu Faisal. All right. So once we have it, we will share it in the WhatsApp community group. So make sure you are there. Okay. If you're not in there, please feel free to join it. Okay. The link is in the registration form that you have filled up. I think most of you are in there already. Once again, thank you so much for your time, Cikgu Faisal, and thank you all students for participating in this workshop. I just want to say good luck to all of you students tomorrow for your exam. Okay, I believe all of you will do well. Okay, and I sincerely hope all of you all the best. I will end today's session with a video by IMU University. And last but not least, next Saturday, we have for our science students for both chemistry and biology. So remember to stay tuned and join in our chemistry and biology. Those are our last 2 sessions for our IMU SPM final sprint. Once again, thank you so much, everyone, and have a good Sunday.
Thank you. Good luck tomorrow. Best of luck.
Bye-bye.
Before we build the future, we must first care for the well-being of what's already here. For IMU, health is a connected ecosystem. Human, animal, and environment. One planet, one health. As Malaysia's premier private health-focused university, IMU's rich spectrum of programs integrate health with business, technology, and the social sciences, nurturing bold, compassionate leaders committed to building a healthier, more equitable world. Here, ethics is a way of being. We lead with integrity and grow through accountability. We believe that leadership means service, that compassion must come with competence, and every action must lead to meaningful impact. From sustainability to global health equity, we don't just imagine a better world. We work for it together. Because real care goes beyond knowledge. It must also build trust. From pre-university to postgraduate research and studies, our diverse and flexible learning environments foster growth. Across disciplines, borders, and technologies. Because learning doesn't end at graduation. We empower lifelong growth through industry collaboration and translational research that benefit all life in the world. With strong global partnerships, our students don't just learn, they lead, innovate, and serve communities worldwide. At IMU, we believe a healthier world begins with those who care enough to change it.